Hi everyone, and welcome to the Simplified Studio to the video for Chapter 4, Part 5. In our last video, we have completed till problem 16. So in this video, we'll start from problem 17 of Chapter 4, which is the chapter for number theory from NOVAS GRE Bible. So if we look at problem 17 here, we are given that if each of the three non-zero numbers a, b, c is divisible by 3, then ABC must be divisible by which one of the following numbers? So here we are given or provided with the information that all the three non-zero numbers A, B, and C are divisible by 3. So we can write A as something like 3 multiplied by X or something, B as 3Y, and C as 3 multiplied by Z or something. So now if we look at the number A, B, C, this should be something like 3x multiplied by 3y multiplied by 3z, or something as 27xyz. So ABC should be divisible by 27. From here we know that. So the answer for question 17 should be B, or 27. Now if we look at the problem 18, we are given that we are asked that how many positive 5-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 0, 3, and 5. So we have to form a 5-digit number. So let's try to create a box with 5 inner boxes. And these are the 5 digits we want to have. And since it has to be a 5-digit number, the first digit shouldn't be a 0. It can be 3. It can be 3 or 5. But all the other 4 digits, the second, third, fourth, and fifth, they can take any value between 0, 3, and 5. So for the first digit, we have 2 options. For the second, third, fourth, and fifth, we have 3 different options. So this will lead that we have a total number of 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3 options, which is equals to 6, 18, 54, or 162. So there can be 162 different numbers, which is of 5 digit and which can be formed with only the digit of 0, 3, and 5. So the answer for question 18 should be 162 or D. Now let's move to the question 19. We are given that if n is a positive integer, which one of the following numbers must have a remainder of 3 when divided by any of the numbers 4, 5, 6. So if we try to figure out the least possible numbers, that is divided by 4, 5, and 6, we have to figure out the least common multiple of 4, 5, and 6. You can figure it out by like 4, 5, and 6. If we take 2, this should be 2, 5, and 3. So the least common multiple should be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, which is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 3 is 60. So any number, if we want, that should have a remainder of 3 when divided by any of this number, like 4, 5, or 6, that should be a multiple of 60, like 60 times something like x plus, since there should be a remainder of 3, then we should add 3. So that number should take a form of like this. Now, out of all these 5 options over here, we see that the last option, we can write it as 60 times twice n plus 3. And if we match this one with our form value, it perfectly match if the x is like twice n. So we have figured out like any number that should have a remainder of 3 when divided by any of these 4, 5, 6, that should take a form as such, like 60x plus 3. And out of these all 5 options, only the last option, option E, has a similar form. So the answer for question 19 should be E. So with this problem, we end our current video. This is a short video including just 3 problems, problem 17, 18, and 19. In our next video, we'll start from problem 20. Till then, be safe and thank you for your concentration.